Another 10 life hacks that matter. What are the ultimate life hacks and strategies that really pay off? These life hacks are the culmination of life experience, insight from mentors, personal development training, trial and error, and several hundred books. I've also combined my life hacks with some powerful quotes to add an element of timeless wisdom. I've also targeted strategies that can help you at different stages in life, whether you're just starting out or you've been around the block. If you feel you've lost your way, several of these life hacks and strategies will help you get back on path. If you internalize these life hacks and put at least a few into action, you will give yourself an immediate and instant source of advantage. Welcome to Life Hack Lion, the channel that roars the secrets of life. Make sure to watch this video until the end because we don't want you to miss a thing. And if you don't know us yet, we at Life Hack Lion are specialized in creating life hack ideas, tips and tricks, content that are fun and can absolutely make your life easier. As you explore the list, find 3 life hacks that you can use right now to ignite a breakthrough or 2 and take your life to the next level. Here are another 10 of the best life hacks and strategies that have served us well. Number 1. Know thyself. He who knows others is wise, he who knows himself is enlightened. Lao Tzu. To be yourself, you need to know yourself and what you're capable of, and limitations and opportunities for growth too. The more you know yourself, the more you grow yourself, and the more you can bring out your best. And the more you know yourself, the more you can also understand and appreciate others and deal with differences. This will help you connect better and build better bridges. So, you think you know yourself? Let's take a quick check. Do you know why you do what you do? Do you have your short list handy of your top values that shape your priorities in life? Can you name your top 5 strengths? Do you know your preferred learning styles? Do you know your preferred thinking styles? Do you know how you like to deal with conflict and your preferred conflict management style? Do you know your NLP meta programs that you use to drive your mind? Do you know your personality and work environment type that shape your career path? Number 2, be your own best friend. You're always with yourself, so you might as well enjoy the company. By Diane von Furstenberg. If there's one person to have in your corner, it's you. Be your best coach, not your worst critic. You take with you wherever you go, so it's worth figuring out how to lift yourself up, not beat yourself up, and how to have a strong sense of self-worth. The more compassionate you are with yourself, the more compassionate you'll be with others, and you get what you give. If you don't think you're worth it, here's new for you. What separates the people that have a strong sense of love and belonging from those that don't? They think they're worth it. That's it. The choice is yours. Number 3, seek simplicity. Simplify. It's way easy to make things more complex than they need to be. Seek simplicity. Simplicity is the key to sustainability. Drive towards it. If you keep things simple, you can better adapt to change. You can also focus more on what's important without getting lost in distractions and weeds. Number 4, measure your life by the people whose lives you touch. 525,600 minutes. If you've seen Rent, you know the song, and that's the number of minutes in the year. The song continues, 525,600 minutes. How do you measure a year? In daylights, in sunsets, in midnights, in cups of coffee, in inches, in miles, in laughter, in stride. In 525,600 minutes, how do you measure a year in a life? How do you measure your life? You don't measure it in mansions or yachts, and you don't need to climb a mountain to find the truth. You can measure your life by the people whose lives you touch. Number 5, embrace the challenge. You know the saying, easy come, easy go. And whatever doesn't kill you makes you stronger. Do the tough stuff. Embrace the effort. It's how you grow. You'll often look back and you'll be proud of yourself for all those moments and all those times where you leaned into your challenges and gave it all you got. For so many things in life, you'll need to remind yourself the following. It's not easy, but it's worth it. Number 6, never give up. If you're going through hell, keep going. And that is by Winston Churchill. Giving up is easy. Don't. Keep getting up to bat. Never shut down for good. It's not how hard you fall, it's how high you bounce. When you fall, get up again. As the saying goes, fall 7 times, stand up 8. Number 7, focus on what you control and let the rest go. Every time life feels out of control, remind yourself to focus on what you control and let the rest go. When you act on what you control, you build momentum. More importantly, when you exercise the things within your control, you remind yourself that you are powerful and resourceful. Number 8, take action. Life is like a game of chess. To win, you have to make a move. By Alan Rufus, the master's sacred knowledge. As Tony Robbins reminds us, it's not knowing what to do, it's doing what you know. Our power is our ability to act. Exercise it. Life's not static. Lead a life of action. Taking action helps you deal with change. A lot of success in life is about reducing the gap between knowing what to do and actually doing what you know. Taking action keeps you from wallowing in misery, and it helps build momentum. If you're worried that you missed the boat, remind yourself of this timeless Chinese proverb. The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. Number 9, ruthless focus, relentless execution. Voltaire said, "No problem can withstand the assault of sustained thinking." It's true. Likewise, no challenge can withstand our sustained action. When it comes to making things happen on a consistent basis, no single strategy has served me better than extreme focus and relentless execution. Act on your best idea in some small way over time. With sustained focus, relentless thinking, and little actions, you compound your effort into greater results. Keep in mind that sometimes the best way to get great results is to take massive action. In the words of Dan Brown, everything is possible. The impossible just takes longer. And number 10, choose your response. All change happens with a choice. By Tony Robbins. Don't let other people push your buttons. Expand the space between the stimulus and the response. Stephen Covey said it best. In the space between stimulus, what happens, and how we respond lies our freedom to choose. Ultimately, this power to choose is what defines us as a human being. We may have limited choices, but we can always choose. We can choose our thoughts, emotions, moods, our words, our actions. We can choose our values and live by principles. It is the choice of acting or being acted upon. As one of my mentors puts it, you are the sum of your decisions. Exercise your choices. When it comes to making big change and making big choices, put yourself into a position where failure is not an option. Tony Robbins shares this advice. If you want to take the island, burn the friggin' boats. Stay tuned for more top 10 life hacks that matter, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Life Hack Lion, and make sure to hit that notification bell icon to be the first to watch our newest videos. Thank you so much for watching, and until our next roaring Life Hack Lion video.